In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 Microsoft Store error code 0x80131500. If the Microsoft Store won't load or shows this error, it usually means the store's cache is corrupted or your device's clock is out of sync. We'll walk through two reliable fixes that are safe, quick, and don't remove your apps or personal files. We'll start by clearing the Microsoft Store cache. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog. In the box that appears, type wsreset.exe and press Enter. This command tells Windows to reset the store's cache and rebuild a few of its background components. You might see a blank command prompt window pop up for a bit, and that's normal. Don't close it, just let it run. When the reset is finished, the window will close on its own, and the Microsoft Store will open automatically. That's your cue that the cache reset completed successfully. At this point, try browsing or searching in the store to see if the error is gone. If the store opens normally, the issue was likely just a corrupted cache. If you're still seeing the error, the next thing to check is your time settings. Incorrect date, time, or time zone can break secure connections the store relies on, which can trigger that 0x80131500 message. Open the Settings app, then go to Time and Language and click Date and Time. Here, turn on Set Time Automatically, and also turn on Set Time Zone Automatically. These options let Windows use trusted time servers and location data to keep your clock accurate. Right below, click Sync Now. This forces an immediate time sync, which refreshes the system clock and updates certificates that the store uses to verify connections. Give it a few seconds to complete. Once that's done, return to the Microsoft Store. If it didn't reopen after the reset, launch it from your Start menu and check again. With a clean cache and correct time settings, the store should load as expected, and the 0x80131500 error should disappear. If you're on a managed device and any of those time options were grayed out, the settings could be controlled by your organization, so just be aware of that. To recap, you cleared the store cache using wsreset, then ensured your device's time and time zone are set automatically, and performed a manual time sync. These two steps resolve the error in most cases and get you back to downloading and updating apps without hassle. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get the Microsoft Store working again.